Hey, what's up guys? Alex Cohn here with a new video covering a fascinating concept that's been on my mind lately, the China Plus strategy. While I can't claim to be the first person to ever think about diversifying global supply chains, I do believe that the way I've organized my thoughts around this topic can help us better understand and navigate the ever-changing landscape of global manufacturing. So let's dive into the China Plus strategy and explore how it can revolutionize our approach to global supply chains and economics. The China Plus strategy. Let's start by discussing the main goals of the China Plus strategy. We want to reduce our reliance on China, diversify manufacturing bases, and promote global economic stability. By achieving these goals, we can create a more resilient and distributed global manufacturing landscape. China plus one, India. India is quickly emerging as a top contender to become the next global manufacturing powerhouse. With its large and growing population, young and skilled workforce, and rapidly developing infrastructure, India is poised to play a major role in the future of global manufacturing. Next up, we have Vietnam, Malaysia, Mexico, and Singapore, which are well positioned to become key players in the global manufacturing market. These countries boast stable political and economic environments, better infrastructure, lower levels of corruption and violence, and strategic geographic locations that make them ideal candidates for manufacturing and supply chain diversification. Moving on to the Philippines, Indonesia, and Pakistan. These countries have the potential to become significant players in the global manufacturing market if they can address challenges like high levels of corruption, political instability, and security issues. With large populations and strategic geographic locations, these countries could play a pivotal role in the future of global manufacturing. Thailand, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka offer lower labor costs and strategic geographic locations, making them attractive options for manufacturing diversification. By overcoming challenges such as political instability, poor infrastructure, and regulatory hurdles, these countries have the potential to become significant players in the global manufacturing landscape. Lastly, China plus five, Africa and South America. Countries in Africa and South America, such as Kenya, Nigeria, Brazil, and Argentina, have large populations, abundant natural resources, and untapped markets that make them promising candidates for manufacturing growth. By addressing challenges like poor infrastructure, political instability, and corruption, we can fully realize their potential and create a more diversified and resilient global economy. In conclusion, diversifying manufacturing bases and supply chains is essential for promoting global economic growth and stability. By investing in alternative countries and addressing their unique challenges, we can foster a more distributed and resilient manufacturing landscape that is better equipped to withstand future disruptions. Thank you for joining me today to discuss the China Plus strategy and the future of global manufacturing. I hope you found this presentation informative and thought-provoking. If you like this video, please be sure to click the like button and subscribe so you never miss a thing.